Before installation, remove the plastic protector from the blade rubber. Press the tab on the front of adapter B. Lift shim C off of adapter B and discard it. Hold your thumb firmly on the front of the adapter, raising the back end up. Align the sidearm tabs with the side tabs on the back end of the adapter and raise the blade into the underside of the arm. Rotate the blade up until the tip of the arm locks underneath the adapter tab. The adapter must lock onto the arm where indicated. Before use, make sure the wiper blade and adapter are locked onto the wiper arm.